Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this wig. Really simple, really easy. So let's jump into it, okay? So this hair is from Sogoodhair. This is the box. It did come damaged, but you know, it's okay. The box is not what's important. So on the inside, the wig came in this bag, so that's fine. I could just store it in here. I don't have to keep the box. I would probably just write on here or leave like a little paper in here with the name of the company so I will know where it's from. And then also I got some goodies with this wig as well. This is a fake scalp kind of wig, so it really didn't require much work. I did still bleach the knots on the front piece. I will show you how the wig is constructed here so you can see how it's made. Okay, dolls, so this is the wig and how it's constructed. So you can see the lace in the front, and then you can see there's a bit of lace, and then it goes into the fake scalp. You also have two combs in the front and also a comb in the back with some lace as well as adjustable straps. So this is how the curls look that I had put in the hair. And then you also do have this elastic band that is adjustable, and it also can attach on the wig where they already have the little hooks in place where it can attach easily, and you can adjust it to fit your head. So the goodies that I got inside is a bonnet. I got this bonnet and it has the company's name, so it says Sogoodhair, and it's this really pretty blue color, and it's like a satiny silky kind of material. And then also in this little bag I got some wig caps. I already had a wig cap on from previously and I just pulled it to the back. I didn't do like the ball cap method. I got this little brush in here that you can use for like your lashes or your brows. Also got some hairpins in here, which is good for doing different styles, or if you want to do like a glueless method and you just want to pin it down. I got some tweezers, much needed. Love to get new tweezers because after a while when you're plucking your wigs, your tweezers just get old and they don't work anymore. And then also you have some elastic bands in here and some wig clips as well, or wig combs. So with this wig, the way that it was constructed, you had the band that was already sewn in and you can attach it and adjust it, which is great because that's what I did. And I did this wig as a glueless method, and it was so fast and easy to do. Let me tell y'all, this wig has been prepped for over a month. Whenever I bleached the knots, I plucked the hairline, and I also did these one curls in the hair. I left the hair curled tightly. I didn't comb it out, so it's just been sitting with the curls in the hair until I just put it on today. So it's already prepped, and I didn't go in and recurl the hair. All I did was bump my little front feathery like pieces and do my baby hairs, lay the wig down and all of that. And this was really easy. This is basically a glueless method. I just sprayed down just this section to hold the hair in place, you know, where it won't slide back at all. But you could just put it on and not glue it down at all. But since I did a few baby hairs, I wanted to make sure that this wasn't going to lift up. So I just did a little bit of hairspray, blow dried it, easy peasy. Like, this is a super fast install, especially since I already had the wig prepped and curled. And I just used a regular wand curler to do these curls, and I didn't go back and touch them up or anything. I also did trim off some of the hair because I felt like the ends were looking a little dry, and I feel like it would look better a little bit shorter. So let me just pull up the info on this hair because I really don't remember all the tea on this hair. So this wig is a 13x6 fake scalp wig. So it has the section here where it kind of looks like a cap is underneath already. It also does have a removable elastic band with comb sewn in so it can fit all sizes. This wig doesn't really need any work. It already come with the hair pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but I did go back in and do it again myself because I just wanted it a little bit more like how I like it. So I did go in and do that a second time. Also, there is going to be a coupon code listed down below. So yeah, this wig is an 18-inch 13x6 fake scalp wig. So yeah, if I'm incorrect, I will put it down below for you dolls, but I believe that is the correct info on this hair. So let me show you the back, and then we will get into the little tutorial. Okay, dolls, so if you want to see how I did this wig, then stay tuned. Okay, so I am applying the wig on my head. You can see I already have a stocking cap on. the back part of my hair. So this is how the wig is looking. You can see the lace and everything like that. So I was just kind of putting it on to test out if I had it tight enough and everything like that. So then I'm going to go back in and take the wig off and cut the lace off. So now I have the wig back on and there is no lace on the hairline. So now I'm going to go in and comb out my curls that have been sitting for over a month. And with this hair, I did notice that the ends were pretty dry, and I did also get some shedding. So I am going to go in and add some oil and stuff like that to help the hair out, as well as do a trim, but that's later on. So I'm just kind of playing around with the hair and kind of trying to see how I want to style it, because I really didn't have a plan for this hair. Like if I wanted to do a side part, middle part, a ponytail, whatever the case may be, I didn't have a plan for it. So I'm just playing around to see what I come up with. So now I'm going in with some bio silk, and I'm kind of just adding it to the ends of the hair where I feel that it is dry, and then I'm going to put a little bit at the top that I have left over on my hands. Bio silk is the truth. I love it. It really helps with your wigs, or even with your natural hair. I like to use it as well because it's not too heavy and it smells really good, and it also does the job at moisturizing, and it gives you a really pretty shine. So you can see I'm still playing around with the hair. I did a little part on the side, then I'm switching the part over to the other side, and I'm just playing around with this. So, you know, definitely try out your wig in different ways. See whatever you like, whatever you come up with. So now I'm going to go in and trim off the hair. So I just did a really easy trim, which I just pulled the hair down and did a snip straight across. Really easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. Whenever I do the other side, I'm going to do the same thing, but then I'm going to bring the two sides together so that I can match it up to see how short I need to cut the other side. And then I just go in and do a snip straight across. This is like my easy trim method that I always do whenever I want to cut off a little bit of hair, but I don't want like a full haircut. This always works for me, and the hair is always even. So this is a super fast way. You don't have to take it off and put it on a mannequin to trim or any of that. So yeah, so now I decided that I wanted to go ahead and do a middle part on the hair. So I'm just going in and starting to part the hair in the middle, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and start to hot comb the section down so that it can lay how I need it to. And whenever I'm using a hot comb with the hair being dry, I don't know if you dolls can notice, but it's not going to get as flat as it possibly can. So then I go in with a wax stick. I just use the hot comb first by itself to start prepping, and then I go in with my wax stick, and then I'm going to hot comb it once again. And this is going to help really melt it down and get it nice and flat. If you use any type of oil or wax stick or whatever, that will work. The wax stick is just a little bit more thick, but it's still like an oily type product. So yeah, now you can see how the wig is starting to look. And then I'm gonna go in with some concealer to define my parts. Really simple and easy. Sorry if y'all can hear the people cutting the grass. They like right here by my window. So yeah, I just put the concealer on the parts, and then I'm going to go in with my wrapping mousse and just apply that right on top of it. And then I'm going to pat it into place. And this is going to make your concealer not pop up on camera like where it's standing out, and it's not going to look all crazy. Like this just really blends it into place. Like I always like to say, it's kind of like setting your face whenever you spray your face down after you do your makeup, so it's not all powdery and dry looking. This does the same thing for the concealer. So add some type of water or wrapping mousse on top of your concealer whenever you define your part. So I'm just going back in with my hot comb a little bit and just flattening everything down even more. And this also does help to blend the concealer in even more, in my opinion, because it kind of helps to melt it. So I decided that I was going to do a little bit of baby hairs. So as you can see here, I'm just doing a little part and just sectioning off where I want to do a little bit of my baby hairs in. And then I'm going to take a razor and just trim that down. This time I did kind of leave my hair a little longer than I normally do, and I kind of like how it turned out. So this is like a different type of baby hair for me in a way, because I don't know, I feel like it's a little longer than what I normally would do, but I found that it did swoop really easy. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. A fresh razor is where it's at. I used to like to use one that was a little bit more dull just so that I wouldn't make a mistake and cut too much off. But this fresh razor, it got the job done quick and really smooth and effortless. So get you a eyebrow razor to cut your baby hairs into place. It works amazing. So yeah, I'm just kind of positioning the wig and pulling it up, and then I'll swoop that baby hair down because I have not laid the wig down at all. Like, it is just up and just sitting on my head basically. So now I'm going to take some really sharp little scissors, and I'm just going to kind of do like a zigzag type of cut and just cut off a little piece of lace right in the center of where my baby hairs are at. And this is just going to allow for it not to have a harsh line of demarcation. So I'm going to go in with my olive oil hairspray, and I'm just spraying down the hairline right in the center where I have my baby hairs and stuff at. I did not do the whole wig. I just laid down the center. So this is really easy, and you can take it off at night because it's not, you know, like your whole wig is laid down. So yeah, really, really easy. So I'm just going in with the blow dryer. I didn't even use my elastic band method, which would have made the wig even more laid, but I didn't even tie the hair down with the elastic at all. So now I'm going in and I'm just taking a little section from the front on each side, and I'm going to cut some layers into the hair, and I feel like this just polishes the look off even more. And I like to use a flat iron most of the time whenever I'm doing this kind of little look, because it just gives the hair a feathered kind of look that you can't really get from a curling iron or something. So yeah, I'm just using a flat iron to do so. Even though this hair was one curled, it still blends in really, really good. So I'm just going to do this little feather and push it back and push it up and push it back. And I just like to do this look. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm just going back in with my hot comb and just pushing back the little front section. I like to do this and kind of do like a little bumped up kind of moment like that. I don't know what to call this, but I like to do this with a middle part most of the time. And I'm just polishing it off and everything like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray to just lay those flyaways down that are sticking up in the back. And now I'm going on and doing the other side. So I did do some layers, and then I also took the flat iron and did a little curl in the front. So basically the same thing as the other side. I just kept it in so y'all can see what I was doing. And then I'm also going in with the hot comb on this section as well. So it's looking real good, especially to say that I threw this wig on and I didn't know what I was going to do with it or how it was going to come out. I feel like it's really giving scalp with little effort whatsoever. Like, it looks really good, and it's really like laid. Like, I can't see no line. Like, it looked like it's coming out of my scalp, okay? So yeah. Now I am going to just kind of fluff the hair out and everything like that. And then I'm going to add in a little bit more oil because, like I said, this hair was a little dry. And also this oil gives a really nice shine and it just smells so good. So I'm just putting a little bit all over the hair. And you just need like a little dime size amount. A little bit goes a long way. If you put a lot, your hair will be weighed down and kind of greasy and heavy. So yeah, I'm just kind of fluffing the hair out and playing with it and just finishing up my style. But this pretty much completes the look. So yeah, I think it turned out super cute. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think. And thank you, dolls, for watching. Okay, dolls, so this is the completed look of the hair. Really effortless, really easy. And yeah, like I haven't really been into doing lace wigs lately just because they do take a little bit extra time. But I was able to do this wig really fast and easy, and it looks really laid and good. Like, it looks like I took my time and did, you know, like a lot of effort to do this wig, but I really didn't take that much time. Like, it still looks laid and it's good. You know, I took my time, but I didn't take a lot of time, if y'all know what I'm saying. So yeah, thank you dolls for watching this video, and if you have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye dolls.